Kitty bouncing. Kitty bouncing. Kitty bouncing. Yeah. Body energy.
Hey guys, it's me, Elise. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have this new wig from Unice, and they can be found on Amazon. I will leave all the information, details, and links in the info section below. However, this is the wig that I have. I have their Afro Kinky Curly pre-cut lace wig. It also has that air cap, so you have a very breathable experience. It has an adjustable strap as well as that silicone backing to prevent the wig from slipping back. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on as I usually do, just to let you guys see exactly how it looks straight out of the pack before I do anything to it. Now the wig that I have is 18 inches long. It has that 6x4.75 high definition lace, and it's also pre-cut, so for those of you guys who are beginners, you don't have to worry about messing up the lace. It already comes cut, so that's a plus for me. Now I did look at the wig and I realized that I kind of want to bleach the knots. You don't have to do this, but I just kind of like to do it just because I have the product here. But if you don't have it, don't go out and buy it. You don't have to do it unless you really want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach my knots.
Mama don't need back energy. Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate and cocoa, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama this way they don't know, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate and cocoa, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama this way they don't know. Mama don't need back energy.
Pristine sound.
So now that I've bleached my knots, I'm going to move on to just laying along the perimeter of this wig. So I'm starting off using a little bit of water. Now I'm going to pull out some baby hairs. So I'm going to take this elastic band and I'm just going to apply it just along the front perimeter of the hairline just to get that nice and laid. I thought that I was going to have to go in and redefine the curls, but it's still looking very much intact. So I'm just going to smooth out the top of the wig and then allow this wig to sit and dry overnight. So I let the wig sit and air dry and it's completely dry. This is actually the very next day and this is what it's looking like. However, I'm now going to temporarily tint my lace just by using a little bit of foundation. I like to use a shade that's one tone darker than my skin tone, which will be like my summer shade, and apply that all over the lace just to where we can get a nice even match. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. You guys see how easily it just comes together. This is like the true definition of a wear and go wig. I didn't have to worry about cutting off the lace or potentially messing up the wig by cutting off too much of the lace. It just comes together so easily. But right now I'm going to work on the baby hairs. Now you don't have to do this. I just like baby hairs. I think that they're really fun and they kind of give the wig, you know, different looks, very versatile. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some baby hairs into this wig and just kind of get those nicely laid down. So now I'm going to go in with my Melt Me Down spray and get this wig nicely melted down. Now this is a glueless lace wig, so you don't have to use any gels or glues or anything like that. However, I did notice that my wig was lifting just a little bit, so I just decided to use my Melt Me Down spray. And it could just be because my braids underneath the wig are super old and they need to be redone, and so it's kind of sitting high off of my head. So I just wanted to make sure that my wig was as flat as possible. So y'all, this is what this wig is looking like. Now, I literally keep touching this hair, not because I'm just like obsessed, but it's more so that this hair is so soft. I literally keep touching it and kind of like, you know, raking my fingers through it because it's so soft. And I was shocked on how this wig maintained its defined curls. It didn't get frizzy or anything like that. It just really stayed curly no matter what I did to it. And y'all, I've never had a wig like that. Usually the more that I touch it, the more frizzier it will become, and it'll look like a little more natural. So I know that I prefer my hair to be real frizzy and stuff like that because it kind of resembles my natural hair. But y'all, this hair literally stayed so curly, and I didn't use any products other than like a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse, but I use that at the top of the wig, if that makes any sense. But y'all, this hair is so flowy, so breathable. I really do like these little breathable caps because it's summertime and I live in AZ and it's hot. It's super hot right now and it just works and stuff. So I kind of want to give you guys a few different styles. So I did have this little gold metal clip, so I just decided to kind of clip up the back of the hair just to kind of give you another way that you can wear this hair. But it's super versatile, super breathable, super soft, and y'all can get it like within 2 days on Amazon. So it makes it even better. Once again, this wig does come from Unice. I will have all the details and everything listed. Definitely take advantage of their discount code, which is Unice Wig, to save some extra cash. You guys, let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.